Ford Wheel Spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality Ford Wheel Spacers can help with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, adaptation of aftermarket wheels, cosmetic changes, better handling, and much more. Ford Wheel Spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment. They allow the wheels to be moved downward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Ford. The use of Ford Wheel Spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or to upgrade to larger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. BONOSS Ford Wheel Spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling Ford Wheel Spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Ford Wheel Spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Ford Wheel Spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Ford Wheel Spacers to fit the massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. All BONOSS Ford Wheel Spacers package come complete with all necessary hardware, including new ISO-grade 10 wheel lug nuts or ISO-grade 12.9 wheel stud to fit your vehicle.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.